Gigamon just went public today. They priced at 19, but boy, are they having a great first day. Already trading in the mid-20s, 25 over my shoulders right now. I'm talking to the CEO, Paul Hooper. So your company, Gigamon, it basically manages traffic for companies, manages their network. You know, this is pretty important because we're in a big data world these days.
Absolutely. We're in a big data world and a big device world. It's not just the data that's moving, it's the number of devices that are out there. And so we're finding more and more traffic running across these networks. And being able to watch that is really important to be able to make sure you manage the health, security, and reliability of the network.
You're going up against some big names like Cisco and Juniper. When you go to a potential client, what do you say in order to get them to join you and not them?
Well, to be clear, we don't go up against Cisco and Juniper. We complement them very nicely. We work with Juniper infrastructure, Cisco infrastructure, HP, all of the networking guys we work with. We complement them very, very well. But when we're trying to differentiate ourselves, there's three axes. The greater the scale, the greater the control, and the greater intelligence that you need, that's where Gigamon differentiates on all of those axes.
You know, your revenues have been growing extremely well. You know, your revenue in 2012 was up 43%. Is that one of your biggest challenges, is managing this kind of extreme fast growth?
Controlling the growth is a very good observation. This is a business where it's paced execution. You need to continue to set expectations and just beat those expectations on an ongoing basis. So managing that growth is a challenge. There's no choice around it, but it's a great problem to have.
It's definitely a great problem to have. You know, you also sign up these service contracts. How often do people re-up and how sticky are those customers with those service contracts?
So they're very sticky. 80% of people renew with us on a regular basis. And I've got to take a minute to say, we want to thank our customers. We have 1,070 fantastic customers that continue to come back to us to help extend and enhance their visibility. Great customers. We love every single one of them, and we're going to continue to build this company with them.
So what is your plan for this year? Now you got all this money in your back pocket. What are you going to do with it?
Vacation? No. The first thing is we're going to continue to focus on the business. We're going back to running a business. After you've been through this crazy roadshow, this excitement of this morning, it's back to running that business. And now we're going to continue to pace and grow this business over time, just like we've proven we can do for the last 7 years.
All right, well, there you have it. Gigamon having a very successful first day of trading with their IPO. That's CEO Paul Hooper, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.